They said it was smart. Free trials, side hustles, even saving cash. But here's the truth. These 7 money moves sound brilliant, but they'll keep you broke, frustrated, and stuck. Ready to find out why? Welcome to Money Traps, True Stories of Financial Greed, the channel where we expose the lies, decode the hype, and free your finances from the tricks keeping you broke. If it sounds smart but drains your wallet, we'll uncover it. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe to support the channel. Trap number 1. Free trial spiral. It started with one free trial, just one. Then another. Now your card's bleeding. $7.99, $12.99, $24.99. You don't even remember signing up. They called it risk-free. But you're trapped in a digital leech fest. Trap number 2. Credit lifestyle. New kicks, new bag, all on credit. You look rich, but your future is bankrupt. That swipe sound? That's debt digging deeper. The lifestyle's rented. The pain is owned. Trap number 3. Side hustle overspend. Before your first sale, you spent like a CEO. Courses, kits, Canva Pro. You told yourself, I'm investing. But you didn't build a business. You built a money pit. Trap number 4. Keeping up online. New phone, new followers, new debt. Trying to look successful is the fastest way to stay broke. Clout fades. Credit hits. The likes won't pay your bills. Trap number 5. Budget by vibe. You think, I got this. But vibes don't pay rent. No plan, no limits, just hopes and receipts. Your money needs structure, not a mood. Trap number 6. Cash hoarding. You save, but you didn't grow. Your money sat still while prices soared. Inflation robbed you blind, in silence. Hoarding isn't safety. It's surrender. Trap number 7. Debt shuffling. You moved debt from one hand to the other. Paid one card, maxed another. It feels like progress. But it's just musical chairs, and the music's about to stop. If you felt one of those traps hit too close to home, it's time to break free. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear the truth, and please, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications bell, so you never fall for a money trap again.